In Apple iPhone camera application, there are so many filters. But normally, if you are opening camera application and selecting photo, you cannot directly see option to change filters. In this video, we will be telling about how to change filters in Apple iPhone camera application. For this, first what we need to do is open camera application. After that, select photo. After selecting photo, here you can see one area where video, photo, portrait options are written. From there, you need to swipe up. When you are swiping up, you can see some options. Here last you can see one option like this. When you are clicking on that, you can see filters. So now in iPhones, filter is the last option. Here you are getting so many filters. You can select whichever filter you want. For example, I am selecting vivid. Normally many people used to select this vivid filter. Anyways, after that, if you are taking photo, that photo will be clicked in vivid mode. So this way you can easily access filters in Apple iPhone camera application. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.